What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here, back with another video. In today's video, what I want to show you how to do, very simple, right? I want to show you how to make money watching YouTube videos. Now, you're not just going to watch a video and do nothing and get paid, right? That's not how it works. And in most cases, most videos that say, go watch a video, you're going to make $5 per video, it doesn't work like that. You have to do some work. So, if you're here trying to get ahead, find a get-rich-quick scheme, this is not going to be it, okay? This does require work. So, let's jump into the video. Let me explain how this entire thing works. First off, yes, you are going to be watching YouTube videos. But here's what most people don't realize, and this is what I want to show you. So, just go to youtube.com and follow these next steps. So I wrote down these steps so that you can follow along. So, let me explain how you can make money watching YouTube videos. Again, it's very simple. First, you're going to find videos where the description box is not optimized for SEO. If you don't know what SEO stands for, I wrote it right here, search engine optimization. There is a free tool you can get that can help you with this. But here's what we do. We go and contact that YouTuber to gain interest or to gauge interest in you writing their new description. I say this because you will watch the video, you will figure out what the video is about, and then you will rewrite their description to better optimize it for the search engine. Now, here's a little tip. Focus on YouTube channels with 50,000 or more subscribers. And I say 50,000 or more because those are usually the ones that are making money. So, here's what you do. Okay, and I'm going to walk you through this entire process in just a second. I'm going to show you two actual examples that do this, all right? So the first thing you're going to do is after you gauge interest and you figure out, okay, this person likes that idea, they're willing to pay me for it. So the next thing you would do is you'd watch the video to know what it's about. And after you do that, you're going to use a tool called TubeBuddy to easily find keywords that you can rank for, okay? The last step is you're going to write a 200 to 600 word description. Then that's going to include between 8 to 10 keywords, and those keywords are the ones that you're going to find with TubeBuddy, and then you will give them that new description, and you're going to charge them between $4 to $15 per description. When somebody has more subscribers and they make more money, they get more views, and the description takes a little bit longer to write, that's where I would charge more money. But if it's very simple, very basic, you're not doing a whole lot of work, that's where I charge anywhere from $4 to $5 for a simple 200-word description. Now, you do this to start. Don't stick with these prices, after you've been working with somebody for a month. Don't do that. You got to upgrade, right? So let me show you, let me explain how this all works in actual examples using YouTube. So here we are on YouTube. Now, I already went ahead and found two different channels where you can do this. If you want to go and contact these people, go for it. By all means, you can take that. But I typed in fun summer activities, and I searched, okay? And so then what I did is I came down here, and this tool right here where it's showing me the subscriber numbers, it's a tool called Vid Iq. It's a free tool that you can get, right? So here's what I did. I came down here and I looked to try to find different channels with over 50,000 subscribers, but not something that has 67 million or 1.7 million subscribers. They probably have their own team of people that are writing their descriptions for them. So I simply just came down and found some different channels, okay? And so I ended up finding one. It's called Kristen K. She has 72.4 thousand subscribers. And what I did was I just clicked on these different videos. So let's say I click on this one right here. Okay, I'm going to open that one up. Because I want to see what her description looks like. Okay, because I know right here she's doing videos every few days. So that means this could be a recurring revenue source. So look at this. Here's a video. I'm just going to pause it. We don't need to watch it. Doesn't really matter. Okay, but if I go and click on her description, look at this. Okay, she has a little bit of text up here. She has a bunch of links, more links, more links, more links, more links, and more links. Okay, she has a bunch of links. So I pretty much just found a video where the description box is not optimized for SEO. The next step is I need to contact that YouTuber to gauge interest. So if I come back to her video or her channel, all you got to do is go, well, you can click on the About page right here and scroll down, and you'll see her email address. I can send her an email there. Or on her actual video, I'll show you this as well, okay? You can see where she has, if I scroll all the way down, her Instagram account and her email address right there. Also, what I just noticed is she has a lifestyle channel, okay? So, the nice thing about this is this person, I might be able to get more than just one job from this one person. So again, it's a great little business. Now, if you come here and look at this, okay, look at her channel. Okay, let's say she does 3 videos a week. That means every single week, if you charge, let's say, $10 to do a description, okay, that means every single week you're gonna get $30 from this one person. And let's say you have 5 people that do this, so every single week you're gonna make $150 just doing descriptions for people watching their YouTube videos and writing a description for it. The best part about this is, look at all of her videos. Let's say she doesn't just want the new videos done, she wants every single video done. Okay? So, if she has hundreds of videos, I don't know exactly how many she has. I don't know if it'll say here. It doesn't say right there, but if she has hundreds of videos, you might be able to receive hundreds of dollars just from one channel. Here's another one. Okay? Is this her channel? I believe that's the same one, yeah. So here's another one right here. Justine Marie. She does organization, house cleaning, all this stuff, right? Again, another great candidate. So I can come here and contact Justine Marie, and again, just go to the About page and see if it gives, I don't know if this one, there, view email address, I'm not a robot, okay, hit submit, and there we go, have her email address, cool. So now I can send her an email, right? Simple as that. Well, once you do that, again, click on all her videos and look to see how does the description box actually look, okay? And I want to bring this up because some people do very well with it, some people don't. One of the ways I receive the majority of my views, not just on this channel, but on many of my other channels as well, is all through the SEO, through the video tags. Because I know how to go and find the specific keywords that are going to bring in organic traffic month after month after month. And if you can do this, if you can do it successfully, it doesn't matter if you ever create a new video again, these videos that you've created in the past are going to continue to get views. So, look how simple this is, right? I would go contact her and let her know, hey, this is what I do. Would you be interested in this? If she says yes, okay, great. Then you're going to go and watch the video. You're going to use TubeBuddy. And again, TubeBuddy is absolutely free. I'll put a link to TubeBuddy down in the description box below so you can go and get it. Again, it's absolutely free. There are upgraded versions of TubeBuddy, but if you don't want to pay for it, you don't have to. You can get the free version. And then you can go and write a 200 to 600 word description, include 8 to 10 different keywords, and you're going to price your descriptions between $4 to $15 per description. Again, just repeat, that's all you have to do in order to make money using this exact technique. So, if you have any questions on how to make money using YouTube, okay, by watching their videos, let me know. You can always ask your questions down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed today's video and you learned something, like always, smash that thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys on the next one.